If you've ever left the gun range with your ears ringing, you know that cheap foam plugs just don't cut it. But trying to have a conversation while wearing bulky earmuffs is impossible. I wanted to see if the new tech actually works, so I bought and tested the top 5 hearing protection options, from electronic earbuds to classic muffs, to find out which one saves your hearing without isolating you from the world. Product number 1, Bluetooth shooting earplugs. I started with these Bluetooth shooting earplugs. When I opened the case, they looked just like standard music earbuds, but lighter. Putting them in, they fit snugly without that pressure pain you get from over-ear muffs. My favorite part was the clear mode. I could hear the range officer talking perfectly fine, but the second a shot went off, the noise reduction kicked in instantly. It connects to your phone, so I listened to music while waiting for my lane. The battery lasted all day, about 8 hours, and the case recharged them during the drive home. If you hate the sweaty feeling of muffs and want something that doubles as everyday headphones, these are fantastic. Product number 2, GLORYFIRE shooting ear protection. Next, I tried the GLORYFIRE earbuds. These feel a bit more rugged than the first pair. I really like the outdoor mode. It seemed to boost distant sounds, which would be great if you were hunting and needed to hear leaves crunching. The silicone tether included in the box is a lifesaver. I usually lose loose earbuds, but this kept them around my neck securely. The noise reduction is solid at 26 dB. I tested the voice enhancement by having a conversation with my buddy while people were firing in the next lane, and his voice came through crisp over the background noise. If you are a hunter who needs situational awareness for distant sounds, these have the edge. Product number 3, Walker's Razor Slim Electronic. Then I went for the classic Walker's Razor Slim. Holding these, you can feel the quality. The metal wire frame is sturdy but flexible. The slim profile is real. I was able to get a solid cheek weld on my rifle stock without the earmuff bumping against it, which is a common annoyance with bulkier models. The electronic compression is fast, 0.02 seconds. You hear a loud asterisk pop and then silence, but you can still hear the brass hit the floor. The volume knob is easy to reach even with gloves on. If you want the industry standard for electronic protection that balances price and performance, this is the one most people at the range are wearing for a reason. Product number 4, Walker's Razor Slim Passive. I also wanted to test a non-electronic option, so I grabbed the Walker's Razor Slim Passive muffs. These are significantly lighter since they don't have batteries. When I put them on, the silence was immediate. Because there's no electronic pass-through, you won't hear conversations easily, but the 27 dB noise reduction rating is actually higher than the electronic version. The rubberized coating feels nice and doesn't scratch easily. They fold up tiny, fitting into the side pocket of my range bag. If you are buying for a younger shooter or just want a backup pair that never runs out of batteries, these are the most reliable, bomb-proof choice. Product number 5, Walker's Razor Slim FDE Bundle. Finally, I looked at the Walker's Razor Slim Bundle that comes with safety glasses. This is the same electronic muff as before, but in flat dark earth FDE and includes glasses. I noticed the headband on this one felt slightly more padded, or maybe it just broke in faster. The audio input jack is a cool feature. I plugged in a radio to listen to comms while shooting. The omnidirectional microphones are sensitive. I could hear gravel crunching behind me. The glasses are basic but get the job done. If you are building your range kit from scratch and need both eye and ear protection in one go, this bundle saves you the hassle of buying them separately. So for all-day comfort and music, go with the Bluetooth earbuds. But if you want rugged reliability, stick with the Walker's Razor muffs. I've left links to all 5 options in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and stay safe on the range.